The Nova Chiropractic Health Center. Your health, our priority. The Nova Chiropractic Health Center was set up to bring succor from pain brought about by spinal problems to the teeming masses of Ghanaians. Many go through life with various pains, from their spine to their heads, eyes, joints, and hands. It is great to know that the Nova Chiropractic Center is there to restore the proper functioning of the body.
Nova Chiropractic Health Center officially opened on May 28, 2013. We have definitely grown by reaching out to a lot of people, and now we see families, we see individuals, we see even corporations who are all coming in to receive services here. The main thing we are focused on is chiropractic, because we believe that if your nervous system, which is your brain, your spinal cord, and your nerves are working well, then everything else works well as well. Chiropractic is the world's biggest natural healthcare science today, and what it focuses primarily on is the spine. Now, the spine houses a very important system in your body called the nervous system. Now, with the nervous system, the brain sits up here and it sends information down the spinal cord and out through these little yellow branches called nerves to reach every single organ of your body. So, for instance, if this bone should shift out of its normal place, then the information cannot go from the brain out through the nerve to reach, let's say, your heart. So when that happens, your heart does not function well. So as a chiropractor, I would come in and find where in the spine the bones are misaligned. And then once I do, I would use my hand to perform what we call a specific chiropractic adjustment to remove the pressure off of the nerve. That way, information can flow freely to your heart once again. Now, to complement that, we also do a lot on nutrition, because you are what you eat. So we strongly recommend healthy diets for our patients. We also have nutritional supplements, which some of our patients we recommend too.
We have things like the cinnamon powder, the almond seed, the flax seed, and also imported supplements. These supplements we give to our patients to provide them with all the nutrients for their well-being.
We also do massage therapy. Now, especially in Ghana, because of our habits, the long hours of sitting and the way we sweep, the way we've carried heavy loads on our heads, a lot of people have very, very, very tight muscles. And that is why we strongly recommend that as part of your routine life, you should have massage therapy periodically to ensure that all your muscles are loose and are able to work well. We also strongly recommend exercise. So as a matter of fact, at least once a week, we have exercises right here on this premises. Most of our patients come in very early Saturday mornings to exercise with the staff.
A healthy body and mind isn't achieved on a silver platter. It takes discipline, correct diet, exercise, and clean living.
I had a neck and a shoulder ache, which had been on for quite some time as a result of sitting long, staring at the computer and working. My shoulder throbbed most of the time, and it was difficult turning. Even whilst driving, looking through the mirrors, it was quite difficult. So I sought medical help. I was told it had to do with spondylosis or something. But I underwent the treatment for some time, though I didn't feel any positive impacts. So somebody asked that I could go to a chiropractor, and I ended up going to Nova Chiropractic Health. And it's been tremendous improvement in my health, even physically. Not just my shoulder and the neck problem I reported, but I feel fit now, much, much better. So chiropractic in a nutshell is not for only the sick, it's even for those who are fit, so they continue to be stronger. I had to sign up my whole family, my wife and my 3 daughters, including the youngest one who is just 2.
I used to have this pain, severe lower back pain, and then my thigh. Walking was a problem, actually. It was worse when I sit for long at the office. But after the session, for a few months, I realized I've improved. And now I walk without limping, and the pain has gone down drastically, and I'm better. I will encourage everybody who is experiencing such pain to come and give it a try. If the person wouldn't believe me, he should come and give it a try. It's just good.
When you walk into Nova Chiropractic Health Center, the first thing you will do is to fill out a form giving us a complete health history of yourself. Now, once you are done filling out that form, then we're going to perform a chiropractic evaluation on you. Now, with this chiropractic evaluation, we're going to check your vitals. We're going to check what we call range of motion. We're going to check your posture. We also have a scanning machine that will scan your entire skeleton to show us on the computer where the postural abnormalities are in your spine. Now, once we're done with the evaluation, the doctor would come in and also see if there are other tests that may have to be done. Most people at this point will be given a form to go and do x-rays. Now, x-rays are very important because that is when we get to see the integrity of your spine. So once we see it, then we can give you what we call a report of findings. So the patient is told exactly what the problem is, where the problem is even coming from, based on the x-rays. Now, once the patient knows their diagnosis, then the doctor would tell the patient what the recommended treatment plan is. So once the patient agrees to the recommended treatment plan, then the first chiropractic adjustment is given to that patient.
I had severe pains at my waist, my chest, and walking was very difficult. I was having pressure because of the excessive pain I was receiving from the waist pain. To the hospital, doctors say I was having arthritis because my two hands, at times when I hold something, it falls off because I feel pains both hands and the legs. I was given medication, but upon all, when I take the medicine, I feel relief. Immediately I finish taking the medicine, it comes back. After spending a lot of money with that cure, when I came, the doctor told me, after assessment, they told me what to pay. So I told her, I'm a pensioner, so I cannot pay at once. So I said, oh, mommy, you can pay it in bit as I'm treating you. So I started. In all, what I have paid cannot compare what I have spent because of the same sickness, which I never got cure. So they started the practice with me. I bet you I have got relief. I never took any drug, but I am now free. Even the pain for the hypertension, which was worrying me, now my heartbeat has become normal. I am able to move. I'm able to go about doing everything. Formerly, I cannot just bend down to pick something on the floor. I can do it.
Chiropractic is not expensive. Here at Nova Chiropractic, what we do is that we're able to tailor the treatment plans to various groups of people. So we see single mothers, we see families, we see individuals, both young and old. If you are not receiving chiropractic treatment here at Nova Chiropractic Health Center, imagine this. It's like a big stone or rock sitting on your nervous system. And because of that, you are not able to walk, you are not able to bend, you are not able to go about and do your daily activities. Once you come to Nova Chiropractic Health Center, we're going to remove that rock or that interference from your nervous system. That way, your nervous system works optimally and you function optimally.
Visit us at Adenta, opposite the Adenta Clinic, or call us on 0302 542 682, 026 995 2077, and 057 465 3232.